Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create revolution slider in WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open your WordPress and then go to the profile, then go to the slider revolution. So this is the short code at the bottom. So you just have to tap on copy. So just click on this icon right here to copy that short code. Now, after that, select the slider type as standard slider. And then after that, choose the slide layout. So we're just going to be choosing the full screen. And then after that, just click on page, and tap on the all pages. And once you're done tapping that, just click on edit. So you will be brought to a page that looks something like this. So on the search box, search for short code, and then you just have to drag it over here. So if we go ahead and paste that short code earlier that we've copied, and you just have it will show an apply button, so you just have to make sure to tap on apply, and then also make sure to click on the save button to save it. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!